All right, now welcome to FC Custom Design, where things are falling. All right, I think I got to duck down. I thought I would take just a few minutes to reintroduce, if you haven't seen it the first time, the Thin Rip Duo. I'm not sponsored by this company that puts this product out, but it's a table saw jig is what it is. And what the name of this product implies is that it does a thin rip. And so this is the tool here. So it's invaluable for this type of procedure where you want to rip a very thin piece of, in this case, of oak. This is going to be trim that's going to go underneath my trim for the COVID-19 desk. Please look up that series, the COVID-19 office desk or something like this. And it's as easy as this. You take the unit, you drop it down like so. You take your stock, put it against the fence, and then you move the duo behind the blade. And its whole purpose in life is to hold this stock from coming away from the blade. Okay? So that's really what that's doing. I'd really like to see the wheels pushed against the stock. So I see those wheels moving a little bit. Okay, so there you go. That's the whole job. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm not going to be putting on dust collection for this short demo, okay? But I am going to wear ear protection. I'll be right back. Invariably, I forget something just prior to a video. So here we go. And I have an LP table on the other side of the camera to collect the stock as it passes through. Naturally, I forgot to bring over my push stick, but I've been doing this long enough. Please don't worry about me. That I was a little alarmed, but well, there you go. So there's my piece. At least this part was mostly safe, right? It was holding the stock in place. So what did that do? If you didn't have this, you would have maybe a feather board here or something like this that's pushing the stock. Also, ideally, you're going to want to have something above here like this. I just didn't take the time to set it up. This is the GR Ripper, and that allows you basically to push stock through safely. Okay, I have a number of different pushers, but you know, there you go. Forgive me for not doing that. So no. So if you had the feather board, what you wouldn't have would be these really nice rollers here, okay? So that just helps the whole thing. And what did that do? That freed my hands up to just push the stock through to get it ripped. And there you go, mission accomplished. So now I have two pieces of oak trim. In this case, it's going to go onto the bottom part of my desk. And I will take you off the camera so I can show you that, where this is going to go. Just give me a quick second. Okay, let's take you off. I ask for forgiveness for the shaking and the quaking that is about to transpire. All right, so there it is again. Here's a close-up. The Thin Rip Duo. It was only $29.99. I got that at the Secaucus Woodworking Show in Secaucus, New Jersey. It was my very first woodworking show that I went to. And here's what it looks like close up. Very, very easy to operate. A very simple jig. But the value that it puts in as far as safety goes, well, there you go. Again, apologies. I had to use this as my push stick. Not the best plan. I'm a QA software guy in the daytime. In the nights and weekends, I am this SE Custom Designs. Love doing woodworking. So there you go. I'm on my lunch break. So this is what I had in mind. So this is the under part of the recovered wood that I found on the side of the road. I joined it up, this piece and this piece, with the biscuit joiner. Look up how to use that on my channel using a biscuit joiner. And then to this piece, biscuit jointed. This piece here that I routed out and ripped out and routed for the under part, the skirt part, as well as these pieces here that holds the drawer. This came from a live oak slab, so on and so forth. So as well as all of this here. So basically, it's upside down, so you'll have to use your imagination a little bit here. What I wanted to do was give it like that drop down effect. Okay, so if we put this here, I'm going to get a drop down effect. There we go. All right, so that's going to come in there. I'm going to do the 45-degree angle cuts, and that's going to look just marvelous, my friends. All right, just a little bit more work. That's one of the second to the last things I'm doing for this video, and I'm still contemplating whether I want to make a shelf for the foot, a footrest, and a shelf to go underneath here. It's not really to support the legs. The legs are quite permanent. I have the Craig system, the Craig system. Yes, I need to eat. And I use that, which is a really, really effective way to quickly join something to something. And I have Gorilla Glue here. I don't think that's going anywhere, my friends. If ever I have a concern, I can additionally add on outer blocks and supports. But I really don't think that that's going to be needed. I also use the Craig system to create these pocket screws to join the skirt. Also to join this part here, which holds the drawer. Okay. So thanks for coming into the shop, SE Custom Designs. Yes, I'm calling this the COVID-19 desk. So there you go. This project I'm pretty happy about. We have like 800 some videos on our channel. And if anytime you see me pan across anything that you see, I probably did a review on it, unboxing it or whatever. As recently as yesterday, where we bought an extra Craftsman charger on the BOGO, buy one, get one free. So I got this and I got a radio. So I had to mount that in there and move this guy down. Okay, he's for my airstrike there. And I also wrote up here, as a reminder, anybody who's got batteries, that you don't want to charge a battery that's at 40 degrees or below Fahrenheit, okay? Because you'll ruin your battery. And for that matter, you might not want to store them throughout the winter where it's going to be cold. And this is my basement, so My basement is about 2/3 or more of the wood shop. And sorry, I forgot I need to pan slower. But just give you an idea what we got in the shop here. Yep. I made this some time ago. This is the munitions box, and it came to a halt. The one I made for my brother-in-law was made with dovetails. This is pintails. And so that's an extra one I made in the event there's interest. Okay, so this is the wood shop. I am considering doing a new tour of the wood shop. So there you go. I have all of my things that can be on wheels because it helps me to move around the shop. All right, so here's that BOGO, buy one get one free from Lowe's. I got this really nice Craftsman wireless Bluetooth speaker unit, so you can collect your iPod, connect your iPod or your phone to it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Let's say our usual goodbyes. Shalom uvracha. That's goodbye and God bless you in Hebrew. And masalami, goodbye, and let there be peace upon you. Arabic, tsai chin, that's Chinese, Mandarin, mainland, and Tutsins, Afrikaans, for we'll see you later. Take care. God bless. Stay safe out there, and please wear your masks until we get through this COVID thing.